Welcome back to the channel. You know what we're doing today? Coilovers. It's the new toy. I had to buy it. We definitely need it. We also rented some spring compressing thingies from AutoZone. Okay, let's go ahead and jack the car up. These lug nuts are 17 millimeter. Let's go take this wheel off. There she is. So what do we need from this?
I think this, right?
Yeah, that's what we need. Welcome back. It is the next day. As you can see, the car is in reverse. We've completely finished the coilovers. The camera died on us last night, so I'm gonna get down here and show you. See, that's where you adjust it right here. Comes with a key for that, and it's not even all the way at the bottom yet. But yeah, I mean, it's already pretty low. Definitely gonna go a little more, but I'm gonna drop it even more when we get the new wheels and spacers on. But yeah, it's not too bad right now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. Peace.